Yan si Rosalie, oh. 5 kanin yan. Nikki, 2.5 kanin. Ito, 2 galong ice cream. Si Jeto. Ang ganda ni Nikki. Nikki, nasa YouTube ka na uli. Si Rosalie, grabe. Record breaker, oh. Nakakatawa si Rosalie.
Thank you for sending in your shoutouts. Just keep on sending them to us. I'll be reading more of them later on.
Abel, hanapin natin.